students and teachers, this is Diego Martinez bringing you with another video of Zoom Remake. Because of my other videos, the Zoom has been a little bit cranky and the voice was like cutting itself. But now we're gonna make that better. So, because of coronavirus, we students are doing learning at home work, which that means Ingenuity or Google Classroom. At Zoom, you can be able to host meetings to students at, like, if you want to say hi or they need help, or students can also do it to you teachers. So if you're new, I will leave the link in the description box. So you're going to click sign up for free. Sorry. You're going to click sign up for free at the top here. Here. If you're new, you're going to put your regular work email address, or you can send with SSO with Google or with Facebook. Since I am an owner that you see a little bit of view, I already have my account and I will log in with Google. You're gonna click your account if you're already a user. And as you see today, I have a meeting. Now I'm gonna show you the features of Zoom. And as you can see here, you can mute yourself. You can start your video. The security will be for nothing happen, anything strange. You can do whatever you want with this one. Manage participants are to see how many participants are there. You can mute them. You can mute all, like here. And then you can unmute everyone. Here's the chat, so you can send messages like that. Here you can share your screen. You can either choose if you only allow one student to share their screen or multiple students to share their screen. That's only your feature. And breakout rooms are for students to be divided into how many rooms they need. You can also set up your background. You can also set up your background just in case. But since I have the Chromebook, it won't work here. So, and then once you finish, you click end meeting. If still people are using it and don't and need a little bit more time in the meeting, you can leave meeting, or if everybody's done, you can just end meeting for all. Sorry, I'm a little bit rushed. So here in settings, you can change whatever you want. Like, you can turn on your virtual background if you want it. Like here, you can turn on your virtual background, and then you can do whatever you want. Here you can save captions, close captions, remote support if you need help, or when a meeting is canceled, and everything. Right now, they have changed everything for 40 minutes. Well, it was 30 minutes before, and then it was 40 minutes. So, and shows the windows during screen share and everything. So, this has been a wonderful time for you. So please, students and teachers, wear a mask. Make sure to use gloves just in case you're going outside. And for coronavirus, make sure you clean your hands, you wash them for 20 seconds. And please, students, be safe. And good luck with your learning at home. Thank you.